My name is Philip Sykes and I represent the British School of Excellence, a global organization. What are we doing for our reputation and to make a positive impact in this world? Warren Buffett has often said it takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. It is Mr. Buffett's unblemished reputation of being an astute investor, an ethical businessman, and a collaborator that has earned him such high credibility. Remember, people buy people, and people do business with people they like and trust. As we all know, manners and etiquette, along with emotional intelligence, are fundamental qualities of life. True etiquette is a fundamental quality that comes from within and encompasses many aspects, including honesty, kindness, empathy, courtesy, and consideration for those who are around us. Essentially, it is about being polite and respectful and making the people you interact with feel valued. As we all know, respect given is respect earned. We are all aware of the golden rule. Treat others the way you want them to treat you. However, we need to elevate this to the platinum rule. Treat others the way they like to be treated. Then go back to being you. It's all about being excellent. Be the best you can possibly be. There are no shortcuts. Essentially, being underhanded and rude is not only bad etiquette, it's bad for business. Within this world, simple manners may not always be noticed, but bad manners certainly are. Ultimately, when meeting new people and networking, you are obviously representing yourself and your company. You are an ambassador. Everything you say, do, and wear generates an image that is representative of you and your company. Making a bad impression on someone can be a very, very expensive mistake. There are 3 key personal challenges that thread through all the reputation qualities and competencies needed. 1, have integrity. One must be who one claims to be. A company or an individual's actions should be aligned with their perceived values, behaving and communicating in a way that supports them. 2, be transparent. To have the courage to be vulnerable, open, to invite questions and opinions, and to be willing to stand up for what you believe in and who you are. This takes courage and lack of ego and demonstrates strength and conviction. 3, be consistent. Only when the individual or the organization is acting in alignment with their values and with transparency does their reputation become consistent. They are seen as authentic and are trusted by others. Learning to value your own reputation and to nurture it in the ways detailed above creates 3 key benefits. 1, personal reputation becomes effortless for the individual or the organization. 2, personal reputation is generated with ease. 3, personal reputation thrives. We all have a duty to make a difference and to make a difference to one another and a positive impact on this world. We need to protect this beautiful world, and we need to invest in ourselves to keep learning and growing, to help the youngsters of this world. In this way, we are investing in our future and beyond. I would like to leave you with this. Each of us has the opportunity to make a difference in this world. Each of us has the opportunity to make a positive impact on one another's lives. Be that person. Be the change.